Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to fix login and temporarily disabled on Snapchat. So if you guys want to go ahead and fix this issue, that your login is temporarily disabled on Snapchat, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch our Snapchat application. But in the case that you aren't trying to do so, and well, the option for you guys to log in won't be available. Are you racially disabled? Or we could actually go ahead and directly contact the help center of Snapchat. So go ahead and launch the app stores. And I want you to go ahead and search for the Snapchat help and try to contact their support. Now, tap on Snapchat support and try to locate the option to basically submit a request. West can also correctly do that by tapping on submit a request right here. And we need to wait for this to load real quick. As you see, we can actually now proceed with submitting a request. All we need to do is to go ahead and tap on maybe I want to report something. So we're gonna go ahead and choose the option I can't access my account. Next we need to choose another option, and let's try maybe my account is locked now. That's not gonna give us the option to contact their support. So let's choose another one and see if that is gonna give us the option to submit a request. And let's just go ahead and just keep on playing around with these until we find the option, and that we are going to basically submit a request to them. And as you see right here, over on the option 2, I think my account was compromised. It's gonna allow us to submit a request. All we need to do is enter our provided details, like our username, email, mobile number, and description as well of the specific problem that we are experiencing. In this case, we need to describe to them that we are temporarily disabled on Snapchat, and you need to also suspect and explain to them that this is a mistake, and you do not really violate any of the terms and conditions and community guidelines of Snapchat. Now go ahead and submit once you're done. And that's all for this video this week, for them to respond to you within a few business days. And hopefully they will solve your problem. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.